was stolen. So now
Okay.
I've had to redo everything. People came into my
Yeah.
house. They stole my clothes. They stole my jewelry. They stole my laptop. They stole the TV. It's all gone.
Okay.
So I had to try and get everything back so that I can teach.
Okay. It's taking nearly everything.
Okay, so how was your day? What did you do?
Today is not like this day is in the week that we study start studying term 2 of the year,
Okay.
and this is this is the third day though. Is
Okay.
we start study on Monday, and today is Wednesday.
Okay. So you've started studying for your term 2.
No, we started. This is the third literature. There's the third literature lesson. Literature.
Okay,
Literature. Yeah.
literature.
This morning is third lesson.
Okay. So what term are you in at the moment?
We're in term 2.
In term 2. Okay. So you are studying for term 2 exams or the third exam.
No. In a school year, we just have two term, and we ended term 1 of the
Okay.
days that I skipped some lesson. Yeah, and that I stopped to learn English to study um for the first term final test. And now we're start the term 2.
Okay, now you start term 2. Okay, good. So let's look at what we were doing. Okay, so we were doing sport. You said the only sport that you do is karate. How is your karate going?
Okay. Like I say, my belt is low to yellow.
Okay.
Um, and and just that. After that day, I just don't come to the karate class because for some reasons that because at the it's just for my school we started study term 2, but in other school they don't. So this is like normal. This is the last week of term 1, but we
Okay.
just started term 2. So um
Are you doing
like our no our school is skip all the afternoon. Yeah, because it's and we're started again at the real term 2. Now is exactly now is not the term 2. We
Okay,
just
so
started it before.
okay, so now so it's not term 2 yet, but you're starting the work for term 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're starting to learn and get information about what you're going to be doing in term 2. Okay, so
Yeah.
you only have 2 terms. Your terms go from when to when?
Um the term one is from September to December, and the term two is from the January to about the April, the end of the April, yeah, April.
End of April. Okay,
Yeah,
and then you don't have school from April until September.
yeah,
Okay,
correct.
so you have 6 months of school, 6 months holiday.
6 months holiday.
Okay, from April to September. So it's April,
I
the whole of April, May, June,
No, not the
July,
whole of
August,
no,
September.
not whole April. We stopped study at the end of April, so we started to free at May.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so it's 5 months. So it's May, June, July, August, September, because you start in September. So 4 to 5 months that you don't go to
4
school.
months. 4
Okay.
months skip. But usually in May, the teacher that just have for us some work. So we usually finishes in May, and some places it's not, yeah, in some places like just have lesson in May. It's not schooling at the school. We just go
o-
to study at somewhere.
Okay, so you will do your extracurricular, which means after school activities. So you'll learn English with me, you will learn extra karate lessons, but you won't go to school.
Yeah, extra class. Usually just study in May.
Okay, study in May. Okay, so we did this, but let's go over it again because I haven't seen you in a while. If you think of words like penalty and substitution, do you know what substitution means?
No.
Okay, substitution means you take one person and replace it with another person. It might not be
Oh,
person or people. Maybe, for example, you wanted to become a vegetarian, a person that only eats vegetables. You will now substitute. So, in other words, instead of eating meat, you will eat broccoli, cauliflower, pumpkin, soya, things like that. So, it means you take one and you replace it. So, you change it to something else.
okay.
Okay, so substitution can work in the case of people. So if your teacher is sick and can't come to school, you have a substitute teacher. So instead of your normal teacher, you have somebody else, but you are still learning. So, like with food, instead of eating meat and you want to become a vegetarian, you will substitute meat for broccoli, cauliflower, or vegetables as a whole. So it's not that you're not eating, you've just changed eating X to eating Y. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. So it's just a change from the normal that you used to something else.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So in sports, a substitute means I've hurt myself. I can't throw. My wrist is sore. Let's just say we're playing basketball. So now basketball, you dribble, which uses your arm. You throw, which uses your arm. Now I hurt my wrist, so I can't play. So I will be substituted for another player. So I won't play, but somebody else will take my place.
Yeah, so no.
Okay. So we have words here. So if we think of the words basket, referee, net, serve, singles, umpire, racket, dribble, penalty, set, and team, we think of sports. Okay, basket. What do you think of when I say basket?
Baskets. Many is basket. The basket of the basketball here.
Yes, the basket that you throw the basketball through. Good. If you think of referee, do you know what referee means?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the
The re-
referee.
yes, the referee's on the side of the field to tell you, yes, you're doing right, no, you're doing wrong. Okay. Net. What is a net?
Net. Net is the thing that in football that usually shoot in, right?
Okay, net. Yes, that you shoot into, that's a net. It's also called a goal. So now different sports will
Hello,
use different names.
your
If
internet
you
is
look at
stop again.
to the stop, okay, can you hear me? Okay, you are